Hello everyone, it's your girl Odette Bongfen again once more. So on this video today I will be showing you how to use okra to do this amazing hair treatment for kids. Okay, and I want to use this privilege to say thank you for all of you who have subscribed to my channel, and for my returning subscribers, thank you. For those who are still about to come, I want to say a big thanks to you all. Stay tuned and watch how I achieve this hair treatment for kids. This is actually a very good moisturizing treatment for kids' hair. Okay, hope you like it. So after leaving my okra to boil, I switch off my gas and I let it cool down. Later on, when it's cooled down, I put it in my blender and blend everything together, as you will see. So guys, after blending, I'm just pouring my okra on the sieve. So I'm just going to let it drain. Okay, so I will be using just the liquid from the okra to use as the hair treatment on the kids' hair. Just keep watching and see. Look at that. So this is the liquid that was drained from the okra itself. Okay, this is the liquid from the okra. As you can see, I'm just going to pour it in this measuring cup because I will be mixing my oils inside. Okay, so right now I'm using this virgin coconut oil. It's a cold pressed coconut oil, but you can go ahead and use any oils of your choice. I will be putting like 11 or 10 drops into this mixture. I went ahead and added my honey. So I will be doing just 8 drops of honey. You can do teaspoons or tablespoons depending on the quantity of treatment that you want to use and the quantity of honey that you want to add to your mixture. After adding your oil and your honey, go ahead and mix it well so that everything comes in together. So as you can see, after mixing, the color has changed to brown. Okay, that shows that it's mixed very well. So, and I went ahead also and added a little bit of my onion oil. Okay, stay tuned and continue to watch. Okay guys, these are my daughters and today was actually going to be a wash day for their hair as well. So I used the opportunity to do this treatment and same time used the treatment to do their wash day. So I had parted their hair in two sections and you will see the application. It's so easy. Okay, make sure you wear them something warm because this treatment keeps flowing down on their bodies, but it's fine, it's okay, because after this you will give them a shower and wash their hair. So for the application bottle, I went ahead to use my honey container. Okay, just because I wanted to put in small quantities and my applicator bottle is very big, so I just decided to go ahead with this. But whatever the case, you can use whatever is easy for you and suitable for you. Okay, so just keep watching and see how I do the application. So guys, if you want your kids' hair to be very soft and manageable, try to use this treatment. You're going to like it. Can you see? This treatment made her hair so soft. So I went ahead to use her pantyhose to secure her hair and also to make the, the liquid from the treatment not coming down on her face and her body, because I'm just going to let them sit for a few hours after the treatment. So guys, keep enjoying and watching. So guys, after application, I let them sit for about 30 minutes, then I wash their hair. Like I told you earlier, since today was a wash day for them, I went ahead and used a shampoo on their hair. But if you're going to do this as a pre-post shampoo treatment for their hair, or as a cold treatment, so you don't have to use a shampoo. But it's okay because it's a wash day and I was going to use a shampoo for their hair. So I used the shampoo and later on I used a conditioner to condition their hair. Wow, her hair looks so soft and shiny after the treatment. Okay, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching so much, and also click the notification bell, like, and leave in the comment section what you think about this treatment.